In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Flyadeal ticket. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can search and select your flight with confidence. Start by opening the Flyadeal website and heading to the Book a Flight page. Give the page a second to load fully. If you see prompts for language, region, or currency, set those first so prices and options appear correctly for you. A stable internet connection helps the search results load without delays. On the booking widget, make sure you're on the Flight tab. This is where you'll enter all your travel details. If you notice options like one-way or return, choose the one that matches your plan before you continue. Click into the From field and begin typing your departure city or airport code. A list will pop up as you type. Select the exact match to avoid mixing up airports with similar names. If your city has multiple airports, pick the one most convenient for you. Next, click the To field and select your destination. Again, use the suggestion list to ensure you choose the correct city or airport. It's a good idea to confirm you've selected the right direction for your journey before moving on. Now click the Date field to open the calendar. Pick your departure date, and if the site asks for a return date and you're flying round trip, choose that as well. Look for any fare hints or low fare dates indicated on the calendar if flexibility matters to you. Double check the month and year at the top so you don't accidentally book the wrong period. Click the passenger section to set how many people are traveling. Adjust adults, children, and infants according to your group. Keep in mind that infants usually must be accompanied by an adult, and child age ranges can affect pricing, so enter accurate information here. When your details are set, click the Let's Fly button to run the search. The results page will load with available flights, times, and fare options. Take a moment to compare departure times, travel durations, and any fare differences that may include baggage or flexibility. Once you've made your selections, scroll down the page and click Continue. This confirms your chosen itinerary and moves you forward. Before you proceed, review your route, dates, and passenger count one more time to catch any typos or mismatches. That's it for searching and selecting a Flyadeal flight. From here, you'll be guided to enter passenger details, pick any extras, and finalize payment. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be set for takeoff. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.